head.
Yeah. You open his eyes a little bit. Hi.
A little bit.
Yeah. There. Can we let us see your hair? Yes. That's a sweet boy. Here. You want to open your eyes a little bit? We're taking your picture. You know, I'm way too sleepy. Yeah. Let me show your hair.
This way, from here.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Light.
There. Do you see? Hi. Hi there. See, we have little sideburns, don't we? Yeah. Oh, you don't like that. Oh,
No. Yeah.
oh.
Gotta use the mega camera. He's like, no, stinky breath is back.